What's going on, guys? The 19th and 20th is the next Ozark Drift event. It is called Neon Nights, and we'll have, obviously, Snuggles will be there, the Grom will be there, Mary will be there. She'll probably be cruising around the Grom. We put a little stunt pegs or whatever on the Grom, just so if we drop it or anything, it doesn't damage any of the fairings. And it actually has already been slightly dropped, but nothing has been damaged because of those, so they're a lifesaver. I gotta finish this. One of the bolts snapped, so I gotta get a new bolt and stick it in there. But anyways, Ozark International Raceway, the 19th and 20th is the Neon Nights Precision Drift event. 19th is a Friday, and it goes till midnight, so everyone is gonna be having like underglow kits and shit. I didn't have that, so I didn't really want to be like the only one that doesn't get to do all the cool like photo shoots and stuff. So I went ahead and spent a pretty cheap amount of money on Amazon and threw it on the car. I'll put a link below on the one that I bought, and you guys can buy it if you want. We'll see how long it lasts. Some of the reviews say it only lasts a few months, but I think those dudes just have it like constantly running, but we're only going to have it on at specific times. So I will go ahead and I already have it basically bolted up, actually. It's just 3M taped on the bottom of the bumpers, on the side skirts, and to my rear crash bar, because my rear bumper always flies off when we're drifting, like if I hit something, so I didn't want to have it on the bumper and then have the wiring hanging. So it's on the crash bar itself. I have to finish the wiring on the inside of the car. It's just kind of twisted together at this moment, but I got to go to the parts store and pick up stuff. But I'll go ahead and turn the lights off and show you guys what this looks like. I think it looks pretty sick. And here we go. Looks pretty sick, bud. I mean, 60 bucks. We'll turn this on. I know it's pretty dark in here, you can't see much, but be able to turn this on and cruise around the track like this would be kind of cool. And there's a bunch of different modes. It's all from a remote, so you can change the, can't really see anything, it's too dark in here, but you can change the colors, that sort of stuff. You can do just solid colors if you want. Something that does bother me about this is I can't, it has like, as you can, I mean, let's see if I can find it again here, hold on. You can see there's like a pink / purple, and with the car being purple, I want to be able to do just a purple underglow, but there is not a purple option on here, and I've gone through like all of the settings, and I don't know if I'm just an idiot or what, but I cannot find purple. So this is the closest thing we've gotten. It's like blue and pink. It doesn't look bad. I think it's kind of cool. I'm glad you can actually kind of see it during the daytime too. It doesn't look completely stupid. It definitely looks a little goofy, but at nighttime it'll look a lot better. Yeah, so we got the lights on for the event. See how long these things last. Kind of test them out if you guys want to try them out. Links below. I'll kind of keep it updated, see how long these things actually last. But September 19th, 20th is a drift event. Shout out Ozark Drift Parts for helping me out. And we will be doing the comp. I don't know who all is actually in the comp yet, so we don't know who we're going against at first, but hopefully we'll get some news on who we're going against, so we can see if we got like a more of like a safer side of the bracket, I guess, because the last bracket there was like the right side of the bracket was crazy stacked and the left side was kind of like not as stacked, so I kind of lucked out a little bit with some of the people I went against. But hopefully we'll be able to do well in this event and get on podium or something. But anyways, I'll see you guys at September 19th, 20th event. Neon Nights should be a sick time. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.